Good morning, good morning, do, 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 do. Good morning to you. I'm feeling bright and bubbly. Maybe I need a can of pop or two, what do you think? Catch me the other side of the intro. Hit it, maestro. Oh, I'm so excited to open these pins with you. My wonderful friend Dana, she went over to Walt Disney World and she picked me these up. I'm so excited to open them. I've watched a few people, but there's not been lots and lots of people opening these. So I'm really excited to see how big they are and what sort of pins they are in real life, if you like, not TV life. So shall we open and see what we get? These are all the ones that are on the back. Let it focus in. The sun's out outside. So we've got lots of different ones. If I could get any, I would quite like the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs one, which is the Miners one. And I'd also quite like the Wreck-It Ralph one. If I could get any of them, but I'd be happy with any of them. There's 16 in the set. These come in packs of 5, so potentially I've got 10. Hopefully we'll get no doubles. If I get doubles, I get doubles. But shall we have a look? Now these aren't in blind bags. That's the only thing I don't like about these multi-bag pins. They're not in blind bags, and what always worries me is metal on metal, and if they tarnish or damage, that's the only thing I don't like about them. They are expensive. They're £27.99. The cheapest pack of 2 pins is £14.99, so they're a bit cheaper, but I'd rather have them in a blind bag, even if it's a plastic one, because it'll just protect them. But anyway, which is the first one? What have we got? Oh, so we've got the Mickey 28 Cola. So that's obviously to celebrate the year that he was first drawn, came to life, 1928. So that's Mickey Mouse. So how does that compare to a normal pin? Actually, it's not a bad size at all. It's just under the top part of my finger. So there's the thing. So it's actually not bad at all. These aren't bad size pins. So it's a good inch, a little bit over. And on the back, I'll show you what it says on the back if you haven't seen yet. And that's what it has on the back. So you've got all your Mickey waffling, your Disney logo, and your FAQ number at the bottom. So they're very nice. Yeah, it's very nice. So that's the Mickey one. So what have we got next? Next, which one's this? Blue Buggy. Blue Buggy. Experimental flavours, 626. Stitch, isn't it? That's Stitch, 626. Oh, so Blake's going to pinch that one off me to start with. So I hadn't seen that one before. All the different blues and 626 at the bottom. So that's a nice one. Okay, next one. I'm trying to do it so I can't see. So what's that one? Oh, I can't read that. What's it say? Roaring Root Beer. Crafted on the Savannah. Roaring Root Beer. Is that Simba? I think that's Simba. It looks like Simba on the actual front as a smile. So I think that's Simba. So I think that's a Simba root beer. Can of pop. We call them pop over here, not soda, can of pop. So that's one. Okay, we've not had any of the ones I wanted yet. So let's see what else we can get. What's this one? And I can't see what it is. So it's dots, all natural dots, natural nectar, and oh, I don't know who that is. All natural dots. Who would segment because of the purple, and it's like a little purple thing up there, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. So if you know who that is, tell me down below, because I haven't got a clue who that is. Right, last one. Right, okay. And this one, chilled lemonade. Oh, is that the is that the Yeti or the abominable snowman? I think it is, isn't it, that one? So what's it say? Made with real lemons, chilled lemonade. Yeah, it's got to be, hasn't it, with that face? Definitely, definitely. Either off the Yeti ride or the abominable snowman. So, if we don't get doubles in a first bag, do it? Can you imagine if they started doing that, as well as all the problems we have with the mystery boxes? Oh my word. Right, second box. Now, we didn't get any of the ones I wanted. So, shall we? Oh, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Right, I'm looking at the camera, I'm not looking. Okay. Oh, that's not a good start, is it? So I've got another root beer Simba float. So no, that's not a good start at all. Right, next one. Oh, well no, that's different, so that's okay. Oh, I got my Wreck-It Ralph Power Rock Punch. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's lovely. So I did. So they're not all duplicate mystery bags, but you might have duplicates inside. Oh, I like that. That will go on my Wreck-It Ralph board. I like that. I like that. And it's he's pixelated, isn't he? So, yeah, like that one. Yeah, one down. So we've got 3 left, haven't we? Oh, we've got another dot. So that'll be another figment. Oh, dear me. Is it 2 left? Yeah, we've got 1 more after this. Oh, in that we've got another abominable snowman. Oh, Dana, you didn't bring me much luck this time. Right, what have I got now? And I've got another Stitch. I'm not asking for help or luck, am I? That's the problem. So, oh dear. So out of 2 packs, possible 10, we got 6. I didn't get the ones I wanted because I wanted, what did I say? I wanted the minus one, and I really wanted the citrus swirl. Oh no, I didn't see the gouache one at the bottom for Goofy. I'd have liked those. But it doesn't matter because I've got Wreck-It Ralph, and I've got a Wreck-It Ralph pin board upstairs. So I'm actually quite happy, so I'm happy with that. So, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up. If you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. It means I've become one of your favourites. And if you click the notification bell, they'll send you an email when I upload a video. And then it's up to you if you watch it or not. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye everyone. Bye for now. Bye.